Naghahanap ka pa rin ba ng house and lot pero gusto mo yung secured, maraming amenities, and at the same time accessible? Welcome to Idesha, here in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, where we are building a secured and peaceful community. Kaya naman kung ikaw ay naghahanap pa rin ng bahay na pasok sa budget, meron tayong Yama Townhouse na perfect for starting a family. May magaan na payment terms at hindi ka na mahihirapan dahil kami mismo ang magpaprocess ng loan mo sa bank or sa Pag-ibig. Ang ating townhouse ay may 50 square meters lot area at hindi mo na problema ang parking dahil may malawak na car park sa harapan. Bare finish, kaya naman siguradong budget friendly at ikaw na ang magpapagawa ng interior na depende sa budget at style mo. At hindi ka na rin mahihirapan sa biyahe dahil along the road subdivision, meron na agad bus at jeep na dumadaan papuntang EDSA Balintawak via NLEX. At 30 minutes away lang from Quezon City via Quirino Highway. At napakalapit din sa mga schools, hospitals, markets at malls. Dito sa Idesha, hindi lang bahay ang binili mo dahil sa Mala Resort na amenities na ma-enjoy ng pamilya mo. Imagine, weekends, ma-enjoy mo ang swimming pool with your kids, garden and playground for family activities, at merong clubhouse, basketball court, pet park, and amphitheater. Meron din tayong Sora Single Attached kung gusto mo ng mas malaking bahay at lote. Meron itong 80 square meters lot area na kasyang 2 sasakyan at provision for 2 to 3 bedrooms. Sa community na ganito, everyday feels like a vacation! Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Kung interesado ka, schedule mo na ang tripping at ako mismo ang mag-a-assist sa inyo. For more info, you can message me on my Facebook page, Bahay Deals, or you can contact me on the phone numbers showing on the screen. By the way, this is Nika Herente, PRC Accredited Sales Manager, your Bahay Expert.